Alright, welcome to a demo drive video on the 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid. It's the EXL model, and if I referred to it as a touring on our little walk around, if ever you go and watch that little video, I apologise. It's an EXL. I think I corrected it in post, but anyway, welcome to the video today. My name's Paul Heath here at the dealership at Round Rock Honda here in Central Texas, just on the north side of Austin. A blustery day today. If you can see the flag flying, I can. But I've got the vehicle started, and let's take it for a drive. See how we find it. The push shifter, D for drive. I've got my seat all adjusted, my mirrors where I want, and we'll see how this thing performs. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you've perhaps subscribed and hit the old bell icon. Appreciate it. So just very quickly, just pulling around that corner there. It's got some nice pep. It's running on the battery right now and the motor. I've got it on the power flow setting on the left-hand side. It's fully customizable. You can change that however you like. Digital speedometer for 2021 as well on the Accords, in addition to the regular old analog look. But let's see how this thing goes. Generator's just kicked in there to power us a little bit further than we wanted, but nice and quick, super smooth. If you've never driven or test driven a Honda before, no matter what you go for, they just have a lovely way of driving. Whether it's a Civic or a V6 powered Passport Elite or something, it really doesn't matter. Even the Odysseys drive superbly. All right, back to this. Just got a little bit of a gentle cruise on. And that regenerative braking kicking in there. Now power going from the battery and the motor to drive the wheels on that power flow meter. I'm going to try some adaptive cruise control here. It's just picked up the road speed sign. It's telling us that the road speed here is 45. I'm going to hit the set button. It's detected a vehicle in front. We're doing 40, but I've told it to do 45, and it's following a van in front of us, panel van. Not quite white van man, but very quiet in here as well. It does have the adaptive noise control. It's telling me that I'm departing lane because I didn't use my turn signal, and it's applying the brakes. I'm not. So it's applied the brakes there as we come around this corner. I haven't touched the gas. Still haven't touched the gas. Still haven't touched the gas or the brake. And it's done all that for me. Blind spot information pulling up because it's active over 20 miles an hour or more in both mirrors. It was just pulling up in the left mirror there that you probably saw. Give it some beans around this corner here. Just caught the light right. So I'm just going to give it some wide open throttle. It pulls up very quickly and very easily to 55. Obviously this is a 55 stretch here, but real nice. Very comfortable. Everything is where you'd want. Road noise is super low. Now, I'm not going to brake. I'm going to let the collision mitigation braking system do its thing there. You would have seen it flash brake. I'm now back in control. Since I've done this a few times, I know how to respond, or how the car will respond. I'd advise, obviously, you take charge of your drive yourself. Make sure you keep yourself safe. All right. Pulls. Picks up nicely. You can feel yourself push back into the chair, even from 55 to 60 there. We'll do that again. Yeah, you see, that's nice. Drives superbly. As soon as I tap the brake, adaptive cruise control comes off. I'll pull it round this bend if I can, if there's nobody parked on the other side, just to give it a little whip around. Yeah, very little body roll, and you feel totally connected to the car. You get that little angel choir chirp when you're at low speeds as well in this. Hybrids are probably one of our fastest selling cars of 21 so far. And I don't know about other parts of America, let alone Texas, but Central Texas is loving the CR-V hybrid, very much enjoys the Accord hybrid, and even the Insight is still a good and popular choice, especially for couples, singles, who are looking for that vehicle that offers lots of bang for your buck. Now what I do want to try is the backup camera for us. So again, this is the EXL, so one with leather, and we do have parking sensors on this. We do have the QI wireless charger down here, if I didn't break it, there you go, with the 2 USB ports. But looking at the backup camera, I've got the super wide angle, a standard angle, and then a drop down looking at the ground angle. I've also got cross traffic monitor alert, so that will pull and detect, it'll pull up amber flashing arrows and a beep in the car if it detects vehicles from my right or left coming across my path. And then I've also got here, I've got activated the sensor proximity. So if I'm going to back up to this Honda Accord here, and on purpose I'm going to back up at an angle so that the sensors actually tell me what's going to go on. There you go. Tells me to stop. So if I look down at the ground, I'm super close, didn't hit anything. I'm going to hit D for drive and pull forwards. So that's the corner sensors there and the back sensors doing their job nicely. And I can remove that from the screen, so I have my standard full look. But again, if I turn the steering wheel, you'll see that it adapts and tells me that my wheels are turning in a certain way. So straight is yellow. But that's our demo drive for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. And if you want to stick around for a quick look around the vehicle with me, hang on. But thanks again. Hope you enjoyed the demo drive on this 2021 Accord Hybrid EXL model. And thanks for joining us here at Round Rock Honda.